A site is basically a container of related information. For instance, you could have one site each to hold all relevant data for every project in your organization, from documents, tasks assigned to users, calendars, correspondence, reference material, etc. Another set of sites could hold information about employee processes, such as leaves, travel itineraries, reimbursements, etc., and so on. You can create and customize sites the way you want to. Each site can contain a number of different elements. Some of the most commonly used elements within a site are shown on the slide. Pages are what it says, web pages. You can have pages that are static and simply show whatever is entered on it to the user in the browser. You can also have extremely rich pages that collate information from different parts of the site and show a sort of summary information on them. This summary information shows on pages is done via elements called web parts. These are small modules that perform a single function and can be added to a part of the page. For instance, you can have a web part that shows a common calendar for all the members of that site. A different web part could show the latest discussions about the matter relevant to the site. By adding these elements on a page, a user gets a dashboard-like view that shows at a glance information about the most important things of the site. Lists and libraries are where users can store data within a site. Lists are basically tables having rows and columns, and libraries are special cases of lists, but also store files. You will learn more about both of these in later lessons in this course. Each site also holds a list of people, users of the system, who are allowed access to that particular site. These users could be individually added to the site or through SharePoint groups. Each user or group is also assigned permissions on the site. The level of access of a user on a site is determined through these permissions. You will learn more about all of this in this lesson itself.